Hi, Caroline here. I am the founder and the smooth operating officer here at Love Scrub to answer all your questions about African exfoliation. This is very intentional. Love Scrub is custom cut and it's custom dyed. Anytime you do custom work on any kind of product, there's going to be high minimums, and our minimums are very, very high. So we have to be very intentional with the colors that we bring into the line so that we know that it is going to move and just makes sense for us. You know, we have fashion colors. We also have neutral colors as well. Our customers, they can buy a color based off of their bathroom. Some of them pick a color based off of their personal preference. Some of our customers don't care, you know, they'll just choose any color. So yeah, that's why we keep it on the light side with the number of color choices. We're always open to hearing what color choices that you would love us to add to the line. Again, this is one of my favorite things to do, is bring in newness. It's so fun to bring it in. It's so fun to name them. We are very intentional and try to keep it really tight because that just makes the most sense for the business. Please feel free to check out our website to learn more and also to pick up an authentic African mesh body exfoliator. You'll thank us later.